Hello friends, today we are discuss to how to configuration static IP in Kali Linux. We'll follow the three methods. Let's go. First of all, how to graphically add the static IP. We'll open our terminal and see IP address. Our IP structure. We can change and how to configuration static IP. Let's go. First of all, you can see your network connection. You will not find it. Then you search network. Advanced network configuration. Click. Select your wire and settings. Click and select the IP version field. IP version settings. Or you can 6. But today we will discuss the IP version field for how to settings. At was given IP 254 net max 255.0 or you can 24. It's okay. Not you get me. Now get 1.1. It's okay. Anyway, and save. Now we can check. Systemctl restart network management C. It is, I think it's something miss. Yes, systemctl I think now it's okay. It's okay. IPA, but sometimes it's not changes, but need to restart your computer, then it changes it. But we are now configuration another clear NM 3. We're clicking edit and arrow button. You can change your option, edit your connection. Click. That's tab versus our IP. We can just put it here. It's okay. Just even follow as must be check-in and space bar. It's working in sec and automatically connected must be selected. Now okay, back in. Now click save. Stay. And finally, well, how to configure command mode. Sudo then it is a network interface for given to terminal password insert I for insert. Now we insert our IP address like where at top best just since 50 52 and put here. Let's send and ESC true change and you are here, but I can now save and exit this option and forcefully save and exit. Now system restart. Then see that our GUI configuration. First of all, graphical and CLI mode. You can now reboot your system. Sometimes need to reboot, but not when you configuration system IP. Now the sense now IP. It's okay. Thanks for watching. We'll keep our channel. That's your